Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a ISO standard 50001. It is related to energy management system. It has requirements with guidance for use. It is an international standard created by International Organization for Standardization, in short ISO. The standard specifies the requirement for establishing, implementing, maintaining, and improving an energy management system whose purpose is to enable an organization to follow a systematic approach in achieving continual improvement of energy performance, including energy efficiency, energy security, energy use, and consumption. The standard aims to help organizations continually reduce their energy use and therefore their energy cost and their greenhouse gas emissions. The system is modeled after ISO 9001 quality management system and ISO 14001 energy management system, and the 2018 version has clauses modular with both. A significant feature is the requirement to improve the EMS and the resulting energy performance. The other standard mentioned here are ISO 9001 and 14001. Both require improvement to effectiveness of the management system, but not to the quality of the product nor to the environmental performance. It is anticipated that by implementing ISO 9001 and 14001 together, an organization would improve quality and environmental performance, but the standards do not currently specify this as the requirement. ISO 50001 therefore has made a major leap forward in raising the bar by requiring organizations to demonstrate that they have improved their energy performance. There are no quantitative targets specified. An organization chooses its own, then creates an action plan to reach the target. With this structured approach, an organization is more likely to see some tangible financial benefits. Thanks for watching. Bye.